Hey guys, just want to talk a little bit about the Vault service and how that fits into the core Provide stack. Let's get into that. Here we go. Okay, so the Vault service is there it is in our list of products. So really, it's a key management system, right? It's very much like AWS KMS or Azure Key Vault. However, the reason why we decided to roll our own vault, and also HashiCorp Vault, to put that in there, to put that out there. The reason we rolled our own key vault here is because we wanted to have access to state-of-the-art key management. What I mean by that is the advanced privacy and messaging protocols that we won't be able to really depend on necessarily getting in terms of the elliptic curves being added to these other third-party vaults. There's a lot of research going on, a lot of polymath research related to zero-knowledge cryptography that will probably revolutionize many business processes in the coming years. And we wanted to have a vault that could support the growth of that industry. And so that's why we built this. In a very tight integration with Nethermind. They have added the Provide Vault to Nethermind, and it's actually a really cool integration. It allows the Nethermind client, within the context of a baseline workflow, for example, to use our Vault service for signing, for key management within their client. In addition to this, Nethermind is also integrated with our in-chain service, and we can talk about that here in a little bit. So that's cool. So the documentation for the Vault lives at docs.provide.services/vault. It's just an API. It's headless. You can absolutely use it. There we go. Docs were a little slow. So take a look at the docs. There's some pretty cool stuff in here. We do support all the curves. The curves that you would expect to see from your more traditional KMS like Amazon Key Management Service and Azure Key Vault. We certainly support those curves as well. It's just a matter of being able to move quickly in this space and having a vault that will support elliptic curves that are not yet defined or maybe very custom and boutique elliptic curves, if you will. We want to be able to support the commercialization of R&D initiatives for boutique elliptic curves, essentially. So we can bring privacy to a whole new era for business process automation and on mainnet. Now, the Vault has a sealing and unsealing mechanism. I won't go into too much detail, but essentially to enable encryption at rest for everything and to ensure there's no tampering with key material at rest. There's this concept of a sealing and unsealing key. And so, for example, you could use Azure Key Vault to store your unsealing key, and then at runtime, when the vault starts, you can implement this unsealer interface to unseal the vault, and then you can begin using the key material that's inside. Key material, you can check out the API there. It's pretty straightforward in terms of how to create keys, and then you can use those for encryption and decryption operations, and then sign verify operations as well. Another really cool feature of our Vault service is the baked-in hierarchical deterministic wallet support. It's based on BIP39, which is what introduced the mnemonic seed for HD wallets, and BIP44, which is the multi-asset, multi-account pattern. And so it's essentially a very, very convenient way for your developers, any enterprise developer, to sign transactions that are destined for the blockchain and do so in a privacy-preserving way, because this mechanism of signing and verification when an HD wallet is being used prevents any single address from signing or showing up on the blockchain with more than one transaction. It just works out of the box. Very magical, but a very helpful feature for developers from any background. You can also use the Vault for secrets management. So we're using this in our environments for example, container secrets. Instead of storing those in your Docker containers, we're using Azure Key Vault, for example, to unseal the vault and then pulling the secrets out of the vault at runtime. So check out our open source GitHub repo at github.com/provide services. Thanks a lot for checking this out. We look forward to baselining everything with you. Let's go.